Installing MongoDB in Linux is very easy. The steps are clearly given in the MongoDB documentation. It won't take more than 2 to 5 minutes to bring up the MongoDB in your Linux box. So this is the documentation page having MongoDB installation details on Ubuntu. I'll be using the latest Ubuntu 16 for this. In this documentation page, the 4 steps to install MongoDB is mentioned clearly. The first step is to import the public key using the package management system. The second step is to create a list file for MongoDB. That's for creating the sources. Once that is done, we just need to reload the local package database. That's refreshing. And finally, we just need to give a apt-get install MongoDB. That's it. It's very simple. I'm in the command prompt of Ubuntu now. As you can see here, the version is mentioned. So let me start copying the steps from the manual. So this is step 1. Imported. The next step is to add the source list. That's a repo name. Yes, it's done. The third step is a common one, that is apt-get update. So let's do that now. It takes some time. That's also done. Now the final step is to do a apt install MongoDB. That's it. It must not take more than 2 minutes for this one. Done. As you can see here, a new group and a new user with the name MongoDB is done successfully. Now the next step is to start services. That's also is mentioned in the manual. You just need to copy that. That is service MongoDB start. Let's do that. Done. Now let us connect to the MongoDB using the Mongo client. It's connected. I'm going to see the list of databases available. Yes. Now I'm going to create a test database and then some collections and some dummy documents. The collections users is created. Next, I'm going to do some inserts into that collection. So name is admin. I have created 3 documents under that collection. Let me view them now using find command. Yes, all are available. So this demos us how to install MongoDB on Linux machine. It's very easy and straightforward. The steps are given clearly in the user manual. Just follow that.